What's up, my Credit with Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit with Capital, and today we're going to talk about how to get an 800 credit score. And don't forget to watch to the very end because you know I got that bonus information for you. So without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to get an 800 credit score is to pay your bills on time. The payment history is the most important factor in influencing your credit score. So make sure that you pay all your bills on time, if not early. Okay. Now, the second thing is keeping your credit card balance at a low credit ratio. And now your credit ratio consists. You should keep it 30%, but that sweet spot is 10%. Yes, baby girl. That sweet spot is at 10%. So make sure you keep it below 10%. Even if you have to leave a balance on there, let it be below 10%. Okay. Now, thirdly, do not open many new accounts. Yeah, girl. Now, if you open a lot of accounts, make sure you use the certain strategy that you can actually get multiple accounts only using that one inquiry. Okay, now if you don't know that strategy, put the link down below and I'll actually on my next video or a couple videos, I'll actually do that for you. Just put inquiries in the chat. Okay, so also that's the third one is don't open new accounts. Now the fourth one is don't close old accounts. Now I know you're not using an account. You need to start, because if you don't close it, they will. Okay, the company will close it. Closing old accounts will hurt your credit score. It will reduce your available credit and make your credit utilization ratio look worse. So make sure you do not close your old accounts, okay? And then also monitor. Yes, girl, I know. Next, make sure you monitor your credit report regularly, okay? Make sure that you check your credit report regularly for any errors or signs of identity theft, okay? So that what made me actually start my own credit repair company is because of the fact that I was hit with identity theft. So make sure you check your credit report. Make sure your name is spelled correctly. Make sure that you only have one address, the address that's on your license, and make sure you have that one number that you always use, okay? Or that you use to apply for credit. Finally, last but not least, dispute any inquiries on your account. If you find any inquiries on your credit report, dispute them with the credit bureaus. Doing so can help improve your credit score tremendously, okay? So make sure you dispute these items on your account. So review. Pay all your bills on time. Keep your credit balance as a low within that 30%. I say that sweet spot is 10%. Shoot for that 10% mark. Don't open too many accounts. If you do, make sure you use the strategy so where when you do apply for multiple credit cards, you only get hit by one inquiry, okay? And then don't close old accounts, because that credit history, that's the whole point about opening accounts. You want that history on the account. Monitor your credit report regularly, and also dispute any items that you do not know what's on the account. Please do that, okay? So I know this is a short one, okay? So without further ado, bonus round. Okay, you guys, bonus round. Now I'm gonna talk a little bit about this later on, but mostly is how to get a Navy Federal Credit Union flagship card, a $25,000 credit limit. Okay, now the first thing that you have to do and make sure is that you have a 700 credit score on this account. Now I'm gonna do another video about this to elaborate a little bit more. But right now, I'm just going to tell you that you need at least a 700 credit score to get approved for these strategies. And also make sure you have no errors on your account, and make sure that everything is actually crystal clear that there's nothing wrong. And secondly, your income. You need to make sure that your income is at a higher rate, so that you'll be able to pay these people back. So make sure that when you do apply for these $25,000 credit limits, make sure that your income shows that you're going to actually pay this money back. Okay. So that is my bonus. Okay, you guys. Okay, so thank y'all so much for watching that bonus information. Please check us out on the podcast, Credit Wealth Capital. Also join our Facebook group. If you have any questions or you want to know anything about business or personal, please put it in the comment below, or you can actually go to our Facebook and join our Facebook page. We will go live and just talk about whatever you want to talk about. So just hit me up. I'm here for you, because I believe that everybody should have that 750 and above credit score, because we should be living like kings and queens, honey. Nobody should be struggling, okay? And also, if you need me to help you get your credit right, go to creditwealthcapital.com and put in your information, and I'll be happy to assist you, okay? So my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next one, okay?